Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check how to correct the GPG keys of your system. The package manager from the Arch Linux aka that is Pacman works with sign packages. To sign a package you need a key. To be able to install a package you need a key. There is a Arch Linux keyring package that will need an update from time to time, and there is Arcolinux keyring. So Arcolinux is a derivative of Arch Linux. So if you are using a Arch Linux system, then you have to use the Arch Linux keyring, and if you are using a Arcolinux system, you have to use the Arcolinux keyring. So the methods to correct the keys, to repair the keys is similar. So you can watch this system and then you can correct the keys. So we will do it for the Arch Linux. So first, if you got your system has a Arch Linux system, then you can use this top method. And if you have a Arcolinux system, you can use any of these commands in your terminal to correct the keys, JPG keys of your system. So what you can do is, before we go and repair the keys, first let us try to update the keys. So sudo pacman dash capital SY Arch Linux. Instead of Arch Linux you have to use Arcolinux keyring. So I will just copy this command. So we will do the updation of the keys first. So you go to the system. I already started up a virtual machine, Arcolinux Genome virtual machine. Open the terminal. Here you have to just copy. Sorry, the paste will not be possible. So I will have to manually sudo pacman. You go back and dash sy Arch Linux. Instead of Arch Linux, we will use Arcolinux keyring. Okay. Go just back. Dash capital SY Arcolinux keyring. So keyring will contain all the keys. So all the keys will get updated. Now type this in command, enter the command, and then you have to type your sudo password. So you can see here it is first updating the repos. Now there is showing some warning, insufficient columns available for the table display, packages Arcolinux keyring. So definitely there is update for the keyring. So you have to install the update. You have to proceed with the installation. So if you just update the keyring, then also the issue with the corrupted keys will be resolved. Or you can do the second method. So I will just go back. You can use this. You can use this alias. This can be used when the eric.dubois key is forgotten, deleted, obliterated, or anything else. So you have to type any one of these alias. Use this. Just a moment. Okay. Copy it. And then you have to type. Okay. So the copy won't work. Key fix is equal to. So I will just have to type it. Key fix. You have to use the sudo password, I think. Key fix is equal to user dash local dash bin dash means I mean slash bin slash Arcolinux dash fix dash pacman. Dash fix. Is it okay? Okay, if first fix comes first. Okay, so we'll have to change the uh, order. Okay. Dash databases dash and dash keys. Dash databases. Then what? and dash and keys. Okay. Keys, then after the keys what you have to do? Okay, so you have to complete the code. Just see what happens. Okay, so what we will do is we will just remove fix. Let us see what happens if we just use the key fix. Yes, I think it is working now. So you have to just use the key fix, so it will fix up the Arcolinux pacman databases and keys, and then you have to just run the update command. So for that what you can do is you use this, so it will then sync with the updated repos. Yes, now it is asking there is a full system upgrade. So our keys have been updated, they were corrupted earlier, and then we also use the keyfix command. So keyfix is used if the Eric Dubois key has been corrupted or it has got deleted, and this command, for example this one, it it will update and repair complete keyring. So all the keyrings, jpg keyring, jpg keys will be updated or repaired. And this command, that is this keyfix command, this is only for the Eric Dubois key. So if the Eric Dubois key, it is the master key, if it is has got some issue, you can use this command. So I have shown you both the commands. Now let us see if the update works. It should work, because you can see the system did a synchronization of the package databases after the repair of the Arcolinux keyring has been successfully completed, and the Eric Dubois key has been fixed. Yes, we have to. So now it is showing us, you can see it here. Total download size of the updates will be 1373 MBs. Total installation size will be 4779.29 MBs, and the net upgrade size will be around 451.50 MB. So this is the net upgrade. So this means that the keys and everything is perfect. All the keys, they have been reinstalled and everything is working fine. You can sync with the server repos and you can update your system, or everything is working fine. So this is the way to check whether the keys have been properly updated, corrected. And if the update runs, then you have to think that your system is perfectly fine, the system is working. So with this I stop the video here. See you in the next video. From the next video onwards, we will start with the Archcraft Linux distribution. So we will check out the different desktops that are available in the Archcraft. So see you in the next video. Bye.